Why is the dollar so valuable? Kong used leaves to buy things. Every jungle has its own leaf. But Alpha Kong's clovers? Every monkey in every jungle needs those. Not wants, needs. So what makes Alpha Kong's clovers so special? Why do all the other jungles hoard them? Let's break it down. Here's the story. Alpha Kong's clovers used to be backed by real bananas. Then one day, the bananas were gone, but Alpha Kong found something even better. So what makes a leaf valuable in the first place? Let's start simple. In the jungle, there are all kinds of leaves. Oak leaves, maple leaves, palm leaves. Every tribe uses something different. But here's the thing. If every monkey in every jungle wants clovers, and only clovers, then clovers become the most powerful leaf. It's not about what the leaf looks like. It's not about how big it is. It's about one thing. Demand. The more monkeys that need your leaf, the more powerful it becomes. Remember that. It's going to matter a lot in a minute. Now, here's where it gets interesting. A long time ago, Alpha Kong made a promise to every tribe in the jungle. Bring me 35 clovers, and I'll hand you one big banana. No questions asked. Real bananas. Sitting in Alpha Kong's vault, every single clover had something real behind it. That's why monkeys trusted clovers. You could always trade them for bananas. Makes sense, right? Good. Because what happened next changed everything. One day, Alpha Kong climbed the tallest tree in the jungle, and he made an announcement. No more bananas for clovers. Done. No warning. No vote. Just done. Clovers are just clovers now. Deal with it. And every monkey in every jungle froze. Wait, if clovers aren't backed by bananas anymore, why would anyone trust them? Why would you want Alpha Kong's clovers over your own leaves? This was a crisis. Alpha Kong's clovers had lost their foundation, and they needed something new to stand on. And this is where the real genius happens. Alpha Kong went to Water Kong. Water Kong controlled the biggest water well in the jungle. Every tribe needed water. No tribe could survive without it. And Alpha Kong made Water Kong an offer. Every jug of water you sell to any jungle in the world, you price it in clovers. Only clovers. In return, Alpha Kong protects your well from any threat. Water Kong agreed. And just like that, everything changed. Now think about what this means. Every jungle needs water. Every jungle must pay in clovers. It doesn't matter what leaf your tribe uses. You need clovers first. Then you can buy water. Alpha Kong's clovers went from being backed by bananas to being backed by something even better. Water. And everybody needs water. So what happens next? Permanent demand? Cold jungle needs water. They need clovers first. Mountain tribe needs water. Clovers first. River tribe. Spice tribe. Island monkeys. Every single one. Clovers first. The Jungle Elder Council counted it up. More than half of all the leaves stored in every jungle vault belong to Alpha Kong. And nearly half of all trades between jungles are done in clovers. And here's the wildest part. Alpha Kong can grow as many clovers as he wants. And they're still valuable because the demand never stops. Everyone needs water. Everyone needs clovers to buy that water. It's a cycle that feeds itself. Now you might be wondering, could Alpha Kong ever lose this power? Some tribes are trying. 5 tribes got together. They call themselves the Alliance. They want to trade water with their own leaves. No clovers needed. One tribe in particular, the Red Leaf tribe, is pushing hard. But here's the reality. Red Leaf sleeves make up a tiny fraction of what's stored in jungle vaults compared to Alpha Kong's clovers. Not even close. Switching away from clovers would be like trying to change the rules of a game while every monkey in every jungle is already playing. Every bank holds clovers. Every contract is written in clovers. Every trade route runs on clovers. Could it happen? Maybe. Someday. But not overnight. And definitely not tomorrow. So here's the bottom line. Alpha Kong's clovers aren't valuable because of bananas. They haven't been for a long time. They're valuable because they're the only leaf that buys the one thing every jungle needs: water. And that's why Alpha Kong's clovers are still the most powerful leaf in the world. Alpha Kong doesn't have the biggest bananas anymore. He lost those a long time ago. But he's got something better: the only clovers that buy water. And everybody needs water. If you learned something new today, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell. We break down money topics like this every single week, so you and Kong don't have to figure it all out alone. Thanks for watching.